Start recording. Okay, we're recording and streaming both at the same time. Yeah, I'm streaming. Oh, shit, what's that? Okay, start now. Oh, we have viewers. Too bad you can't see my face. Sorry for that. I am not showing my face, sorry. But you can see my television. Oh, they don't like my television. Saying that up. I don't know, black screen. I don't like seeing my face. And this is this. Let's change the title. That is my name. Okay, morning. Okay, that's big. Nope, not going to happen. And because I'm going to start over again, I have to start over again playing this game. Let's go first to limited event. Hey, this is a big one. Fuck, I hate this. Restarting the game again. Let's go with the free characters first. I don't like Killmonger, so which one should I go with? Okay, free hero chest. Let's go there. Is for everyday. The cage. No, not that one. Not that. No, not you. Not Usopp. No, not you. I'm not going to use you. No, not Thor. Not you. No, not you also. I regret this guy using that guy. Oh shit. Guess we don't have a choice. We have to use this. You're wondering why I'm using Iron Fist. He has a his settings is abnormal for once, and you can use that to the advantage. I will show you maybe later in the episodes. Okay, let's get his purchase. Okay, yeah. Fantastic. Fantastic. Oh shit, I don't like this guy. Why him? I don't like Star-Lord. Yeah, waiting for another 10 minutes. Character upgrades. No more. Okay, recharge. What would I get in recharge? Hey, daily so no. I don't have none. If you're new to my channel, I had this concept things long time ago. Problem is I forgot to go back after many years, months. I mean months. Okay, status mode. Let's go there. Let's acquire this thing. Stop the stream. Let's enter Tor again. Forgot to game for this challenge. Okay, I'm not going to challenge that one. Let's go to limited event. Here's 1 million, 2 million. Oh shit, I'm toast with this one. Let's go with Hero's Journey first. Why am I going Hero's Journey first? This is for the blaster type. What do I mean by blaster type? Okay, skip that. I already know that. Why am I going for blaster type? I'll show you later. Where is my character? Okay, slow loading. This is the reason why. Iron Man change. I don't like him. Why am I using this one? Oh, don't worry. I'm using this one because this team I mean, that one is an imba character, meaning imbalance. Too much imbalance with that one. You wouldn't like fighting that girl in the arena. That's for future fights, not in the story mode, but more likely to the Thanos mode. If you don't know what I'm telling you about Thanos mode is when you fight Thanos. Yeah, the Marvel Infinities movie where the main villain is Thanos, one of the most powerful villain in. Okay, I'm just waiting. Why is this game so laggy? Okay, we're starting. If you're wondering why I'm using the girl, is because I'll just show you. This character has one of the most powerful attack in the game using his oh no, let's just say it's just lagging. So we got to fuck. Why is the game so lag? Okay. What to play is right now she's not that powerful because okay, use the skill. If you're new to this game, oh shit, why is this so laggy? Okay, sensing major. Okay, this is the hero. Let's use that. Later I will show you why she is one of the most powerful in the game because of her imba skills. Yeah, like I care if it's going to die, I can beat this thing. See, this is the easy game of this is the first easy game. The story mode is just shit, so you can just hit and hit and hit again. What's great about this game is not how you play in the story mode, but after story mode. What do I mean by after story mode? Okay, I go. Oh shit, another. Because after story mode, you're going to have to do the other stuff. What do I mean by other stuff? We'll just wait for the movie. Okay, we're blended. Okay, I'm going to apply it. This is the girl you need to use. First, let's go to team so I can show you what I mean by one of the most powerful. This is Captain America's daughter in another world with their unbelievable attacks. What do I mean by that? Where's her skills? I can't remember okay, this is the skills. One of her skill is the one you use to block an enemy. Yeah, is this one. Yeah, this is this one. It it negates much immunity, not negates. It gets immunity for about 5 seconds and turns the damage into a recall damage, making the enemy's attack given back to them and kill them instantaneously. Why is it great? It's not great in the story mode because multiple attacker comes to you, but after story mode you get to another fight scene, and that is let's close this first. Where is that game? I forgot where. Challenge? No, maybe not. Oh yeah, not in challenge. Let's go this first. Oh yeah, if you're new to the game, don't forget to get all the freebies because those things expire. Except for quests, you can take it later in the game. If you do this game, you need to remember that there's not only story mode in the game, there's also many things you can explore. That's why this game is so popular right now. What do I mean by that is, let's go to Alliance. I think it's that Alliance. No, not this one. Maybe enter somewhere. Okay, this is, yeah, this is challenge. Oh no, I'm not going to do that. Co-op and arena. These things are the most dangerous thing. But if you want much higher or much dangerous stuff, you have World Boss and this Shadowland and World Boss Ultimate mode. These things are the most hardest thing to do in Marvel Ultimate. I mean Future Fight. This thing, those modes. Let's go back if you forgot what is this. This challenge are this three challenge 1, 2, 3. See, is one of the most hardest because the boss you're going to fight here is much more powerful than your tier 2, so I advance and use my primary target in my team as the girl. This girl is so much powerful when it comes to skill. I can block the attack and one of her tier 2 can increase her skill and her damage gets a bonus in tier 2, so you know why right now why he is one of the most powerful. My problem is she still has one unit of left. Let's see what. Okay, I know. I just want to see what's inside. Okay, all attack and all defense plus 10. Also, there's a buff of ignores target dodge rate by 20%. Also, when you wear a uniform, there's another add-ons, energy beam. Okay, they're still there. Sometimes there are no add-ons, but sometimes there is. Just got to know. Also, you'll get the diamonds later in the game, not right now. So for now, we just continue with the hero's journeys to get my character more powerful. Just skip that thing. So we have, yeah, this is the upgrade one. So yeah, let's take that. This must the this is the upgrade. Just tutorial, so you can get your character more powerful. Yeah, we upgraded it. See, now she is more powerful, not so much. Okay, let's survive. So we can upgrade her again. Okay, let's go to the mission again. This game takes about 3 days to finish the game. See, leadership. I forgot that. There's a leadership icon for every gear. This is only open if your leader has a red star. See, looking, she is now red star. Seeing that, so that's when you start having her as a team member. Also, the one below from mine, the MCY833S, that one is my teammate. See, they have different names. You can use these fellows to help you in the mission, but you don't need them right now. Okay, let's skip this. I know what happens in the story. You don't know, need to know really. Because at the last part, we don't get the final part. Because in this game, the story is multiple universes are coming together and the world is going to end because of that unison or something, that the universe is coming together, something something, and you as the one who uses the game or a user, is responsible for saving it. So the main play of this game is you get to, okay, let's change to, okay, Black Widow. The main reason of this game to go haywire, yeah, is you have to fight the, okay, let's go here, let's go settings. It's so laggy, so we have to change. Let's go with very low. Okay, we're at low. Continue, let's see what happens. Okay, we can play now. Sorry for the low graphics, but we have to go down the low graphics because the performance in this one is, okay, let's also low. Continue. Ano yun pa? Ha? Maya. Ano yun? Maya.